Hello, this is part 5 of my mini brands fill the fridge. And let's go into it and get into it.
I got the little thing here too, right? These things are okay. Okay, here. Yeah, pull that down. No, pull that one down. This one. No, pull that down all the way. Yes, there you go. How many you got in there?
6.
Okay.
Isn't there meant to be
Right there.
9?
Right here.
Oh. Okay, so I got like the water in here.
Oh, you don't have that one. That one's new. You want to put it there?
It's orange juice.
Do you have that?
I don't know. I don't think I do.
Orange juice. Yeah, you have orange juice already. So put in the dubs right here.
I don't know what this is.
That's French. Wait.
Sweet.
Italian dressing. Do you have that? Yes, you have that too. That's a dub.
I don't know. Wait, it's turkey and I already have it.
Yes, you do. That's a dub.
Broccoli, I already have this.
Oh my God, we got so many broccolis.
Wait, I think this is something else.
Turn it the other way because I can't see it on the camera. Turn it the other way. Those are pretzel dogs. Do you have that? Yes, you have pretzel dogs and soft pretzels. You got them both. That looks new. No.
Oh, this
Oh, you have that. That's a fruit.
No,
Let me see.
I already have this.
Yeah, the fruit tray. Yeah, you got that.
Everything was dubs.
Yes, everything was dubs in that one. But go ahead, open the other one. You got time for the other one. Again, this is part 5, right? For Dylan's Fill the Fridge.
Yeah, well, now this is part 6.
No, it's still part 5.
No,
It's one video. It's still one video. Stop smelling the darn paper, Dylan. You're always smelling something. Gotta count. 1.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 5,
6. Yep.
6.
What you got there?
I think I already had this.
Yes, the portrait. Yep. Yep. That's a dub. He got that dub.
Yes, it's a dub.
Oh, Lord. But last video, you got the ice, remember?
Yeah.
Mommy's still jealous because she don't got that one yet. Another
is a
big...
dub.
Yep. Oh, Jesus.
I think this is the water. No, I have no idea what
That's pepperoni. Let me see. Do you have pepperoni? Yes, you do have pepperoni. That's a dub.
I think this one is one. Oh no, this is a sauce. I think I already have it.
Kombucha? Yeah, you got that. No, that's turmeric. Yep.
This, I definitely already have.
What's that, the steak?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got steak.
Alright, this is the last one. There's no way.
Can we get something besides
think
just
this
a
is-
magnet?
No, I think I already have this.
Yeah, the oats. Yep, you do, right? Yep, right there. The oatmeal, yep.
Everything was dubs.
Are you disappointed?
Yes.
You're like, we need to get better ones. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Say, do better.
Do better.
Put better orbs out there.
Everything we had in this 2 balls were dubs.
All right, so say bye to your fans.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.